Air layering, also known as marcoting, is a plant propagation method where you encourage a branch to grow roots while it is still attached to the parent plant. Once roots form, you can cut it off and pot it as a new plant. This method is ideal for woody plants like Lemonsito, especially when you want a clone of the original tree that fruits faster than growing from seeds. Now, I'm going to explain the step-by-step explanation. First, select the right branch. Choose a healthy, semi-mature branch about the thickness of a pencil to a finger. Ideally, it should be 12 to 18 inches long and growing vigorously. Second, ring bark the stem. Using a sharp, clean knife, remove a 1 to 2 inch ring of bark around the branch. Carefully scrape off the cambium layer, green part under the bark. This stops the plant from healing the wound and forces it to produce roots instead. Why this step matters? By removing the bark and cambium, you interrupt nutrient flow downward, which encourages root formation at the wound site. Third, apply rooting hormone, optional but helpful. Apply natural or synthetic rooting hormone to the exposed area. You can use honey, antibacterial and root-friendly, cinnamon, aloe vera gel, commercial rooting powder. HORTIKNOW. Tip: add a few drops of diluted kelp extract or compost tea to the moss before wrapping. These natural nutrients help stimulate faster, healthier root development by providing trace minerals and growth hormones like cytokinins and auxins. Fourth, wrap with moist media. Take a handful of moist sphagnum moss, coco coir, or peat moss. Wrap it firmly around the ringed area. Cover this with plastic wrap or cling film to hold moisture in. Tie both ends with string, twist ties, or zip ties. Pro tip: wrap the outer plastic with aluminum foil to block light, which encourages stronger root growth and prevents algae. Fifth, wait and monitor 4 to 6 weeks. Keep the moss moist by checking every week. If it dries out, carefully inject a bit of water using a syringe or spray bottle. In warm, humid conditions, roots usually appear in 4 to 6 weeks. You'll know it's ready when you see white roots pushing through the moss. 6. Detach and pot. Once roots are well developed, cut the branch below the rooted section using sterilized pruners. Carefully unwrap the moss and transplant into a well-draining soil mix. Keep it in shade or indirect light for the first 1-2 weeks until it establishes. Congratulations! You now have a fully rooted Lemonsito clone that will mature and fruit much faster than a seedling.